Welcome to CIAPP K5a online learning with me, Teacher Helen. Okay, so what do we think we're going to be learning today? Let's take a look. So who can guess? What subject are we going to study today? Did I hear you say math? Yes, well done. Okay, so today, yes, we'll study our math lesson and complete our activities. And then also you'll have a special treat from Teacher Joe, because normally you would have your swimming lesson today, but instead he's going to give you some other activities that you can do at home. Okay, and then finally at 11 o'clock, we can go online and meet at our Zoom session. Okay, so before we start the class, on the dojo, I have posted 2 links to the YouTube videos for these habits of mind. So please pause the video, check your dojo, and watch these videos. Come back soon. Okay, welcome back. So before we start our new lesson, let's make sure we can remember everything that we learned from our last lesson, okay? So, who can remember? What did we study in our last lesson? Did we study greater than and less than? No, that was a long time ago. What did we study? Did we study measurement? No, we've already done the measurement. Yes, well done. Who said that? Well done. Yes, we did. Place value. Do you remember the place value? Yes, you've got your mats in your packs at home. Otherwise, you can just make one yourself with your whiteboard. Okay, so let's see if you can remember. So, in our place value mat, we have 2 boxes. One box is for the tens, well done, and one box is for the ones, yes. So let's see what's in this box. How many tens can you see? Good job. Yes, you can see 1 set of tens. How many ones can you see? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. Well done, 3. So the first number we need to write down is how many tens. So we need to write the number 1. Well done. Now we need to write down how many ones we have. And we know there were only 3. Well done. So we write the number 3. Now our new number is number, good job, 13. So let's check and count them all together. Count with me, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Well done. Let's try another one. So how many tens and ones do we have on our mat? How many tens can you see? Good job. Yeah, there's 1 10. Let's see how many ones. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So first we need to write down how many tens we can see. How many tens can you see? Well done. We have 1 set of 10. So let's write the number 1. Then we need to write the number 8. Good job. So our new number now is number 18. Well done, everybody. Let's try one more. So how many are in here? How many tens? Very good. Easy peasy. Just 1 set of tens. How many ones can we see? Can you count them? How many ones? Well done. Yes, there's 9 ones. So first, we need to use the rules. We write down how many tens we can see, and we know we can only see one set of tens. How many ones can we see? We know we have 9. So what's our new number? Well done, 19. Very good, everybody. Okay, let's try another one. Maybe this is going to get more difficult. How many tens can you see? How many ones can you see? So we can see one set of tens. And how many ones? What number do I need to write now? I've got my one set of tens. Now I need the number 5. Well done, everyone. You're doing so well. Let's try another one. Okay. In this box, we have how many tens? Do we have just one this time? Or do we have 2 sets? Yes, well done. We have 2 sets. How many ones do we have? So we have 2 sets of tens. Can you see them here? So we need to write down first the number 2. Good job. Now we need to write down how many ones we can see. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. So we write down the number 3. Well done. Can anyone tell me what this new number is? It's a big number. Yes. Good job. 23. Well done. Do you think you can do one more difficult? Let's try. In this box, we have 1, 2, 3. How many tens do we have in this box? Well done. Yes, we have 2 tens. So we need to write the number 2 at the bottom of our mat. Now let's count the ones and let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I need to write the number 8. Now who can tell me what this new number is? Yeah, good job. It's 28. You guys are really good at this. Let's see the next one. How many tens are in this box? Can you tell me how many tens? Let's count them together. How many sets? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sets. So I'm going to write the number 4. How many ones can you see? Can you see any ones? I don't see any. So what number should I write if I can't see any ones? Yes, well done. We need the 0. And does anybody know what this new number is? You've been practicing counting in tens. So let's think. Let's count in tens and see if we can find this number. 10, 20, 30, 40. Did we get the right number? Yes, we did. Well done, everybody. Very good job. You're very good at this one, so let's try one more. How many tens can you see? How many ones can you see? Do you think you know what number this will be? Try and have a go. Count your numbers. So we need how many tens? 1, 2, 3. Let's see if 3 was correct. Yes. How many ones? Did you say 7? So what's your new number is 37. Well done, everybody. Okay, so to start our new lesson, let's have a look at the words that we're going to be learning about today. So we're going to be talking about add, equals, addition, sum, plus, and put together. So our essential questions. So here you can hit the pause button, have a conversation with mummy and daddy or whoever's around and ask the question, how can pictures and objects help us do math? So think about what we just did in our class, pause and come back when you're ready to start the lesson. Okay, welcome back everybody. Let's start our new lesson. So in our lesson today, we have our friend Tom. Say hello, Tom. And Tom has a friend. Her name is Jane. Say hello, Jane. They want to go for a walk in the forest. And in the forest, what did they find? Can you see? What are these things down here? Well done. Yes, they're trees. Can we count the trees? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. And what else did we find in the forest? We found some flowers. So let's count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Now, if we want to add them together, we can find out how many flowers and how many trees we have. So can we add them together? Will you do that with me? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did you count 9 as well? So let's see. 4, 5. 5 trees plus 4 flowers equals, let's hope we get the number 9. Is it the number 9? Yes. Well done, everybody. Let's have a look. So, what is addition? That's what we just did with our little story. So it's how we find the total or the sum by putting everything, the two numbers together. So if we had 1 plus 1, it would equal 2. So by combining the two numbers together, we can count them and find out how many altogether. Let's take a look at another one. What can you see in my picture? So Tom and Jane, they went to the Arctic. Now, we talked about some of these animals in our habitats. So what animals can you see? Does anybody know what these are? Good job. Yes, they're polar bears. And does anyone know what these are? These are called the walrus. Well done. So how many polar bears can you see? Can you count them? 1, 2, 3. Well done. We have 3 polar bears. Now, how many walruses can we see? We can see, let's count them together. Some are hiding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. So we have 6 walruses and we've got 3 polar bears. If we plus them together, we add them together, what number do you think that equals? Should we count them all together? Okay, let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Should we see if the correct answer is number 9? Yes, well done. You did very well with your new addition. Let's try another one. Now, where do Tom and Jane want to go next? Can you guess where they want to go? Where did they go? Ooh. What can you see in these pictures? Yes, we can see some elephants and some giraffes. Let's count the elephants. How many elephants can you see? Did you say 4? Well done. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many giraffes can you see? Yes, just 2 giraffes with the long, long neck. So if we want to add them together, what do you think this will equal? Let's count them all and see what number should be at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you count 6? So 4 plus 2 is 6. Good job. Well done. So where did Tom and Jane go next? Can you guess where they went? Yeah, they're in the desert. Now, does anyone know what these funny looking creatures are called? I like these. These are called meerkats. Let's count how many meerkats there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I think there's one hiding behind there. 7. And how many camels do we have? Yes, we have 1, 2, 3. So 6 plus 3 equals. Can you count them and tell me what you think? Now let's see if you're correct. Did you get the right number? The answer is 9. Well done, everybody. Well done. Okay, so your worksheets and your games. So I think you're going to enjoy these today. So they're posted on Dojo for you, or they're in the packs if you came to pick them up from school. So the first one, you've got 2 games to play. Okay, the instructions are there. So these are games that you play with a friend. You can use your dice that you made at home. But don't worry, if you don't have a dice, you can still make your own. Watch the video from Teacher Leng. But if you also don't have those materials, you could just write numbers 1 to 6 on a piece of paper, cut them up, put them in a bag, and just pick out a different number and put it back each time. Okay, just close your eyes when you put your hand in the bag so you can't see the numbers. Okay, and you can use counters to play this game as well that I put you in the packs for you. Okay, so there's 2 games there for you. Also, in your packs or on the dojo, you can download our read and write the number sentences. Okay, just like the stories with Tom and Jane. I want you to read these nice simple stories, try and sound out the words or get mummy and daddy to help you, okay, and write down the numbers that you read in the story. Then can you add them up? Now don't forget, you can use your fingers. You could use different things in the house because maybe you don't have the snap cubes we have at school, but you can use anything in the house to help you count. Okay, and then we have another worksheet. Now this one has a number line on it, so this can help you with your counting as well. So finish this worksheet, and then the final one, this one you're going to really enjoy, which is where you use your dice. So what you need to do is throw your dice, write down the number, okay, throw it one more time, write it in the box below, and then tell me if you add these 2 numbers together, what do you get? Okay, so finally, I want to talk to you about the Zoom meeting. So at 11 o'clock, we'll have our Zoom meeting. I hope that you've watched this lesson. I hope that you've started your activities. Hopefully, some of you will have finished them too. But let's listen to some rules for when we join our Zoom session. The very important one, we must listen when somebody is speaking. So if someone is talking, you need to be nice and quiet and let them talk, okay? The next rule is just try your best, okay? Make sure if you want to ask a question or speak, you raise your hand, okay? Not all of us can talk at once, and it'll be a lot easier if we raise our hand and wait for me to tell you to talk. And the final rule, and the most important rule, is to have some fun. Okay, everybody. Well, it's been really nice to do this new lesson for you today. Let's see you at 11 o'clock, and you can tell me what you think of the lesson and what you think about the activities. So have fun, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye, everybody.